As I dropped the phone.
God.
Stupid. It's finally here, guys. Let's go open this thing up. Alright guys, so here's the iPhone X Max still in its box. This is going to be a quick snapshot of the phone itself and compared to my phone itself here, the iPhone X. So it's not going to be an in-depth look, it's just going to be a quick snapshot. Alright guys, so here's the phone. Really nice looking. Actually my X is right next to it. Again, similar in color, similar panels. The actual cameras are pretty much the same. Fingerprint magnets like always. That's not going to go away. On here. Of course we have our hello, welcome paperwork and the SIM card removal pin. More stickers for me to put all over my room. The lightning cable, ear pods or earphones, and the brick for charging. Same thing as every other iPhone. Nothing has changed since the iPhone 6, I believe. Alright guys, so what I have here is the actual iPhone X Max, the 512GB version. This version comes in 3 different storage. The 256, 64, and the 512. 64 being the lowest you could get. The iPhone X only came in 64 and 256. Also, the new phone has the 6.5 inch display, as you can see, of course, the difference in size there, compared to the 5.8 inch. The good thing about this phone, they actually increased the talk time on the phone up to 25 hours, I'm sorry, compared to the 21 hours that the iPhone X used to have. And the chip on the phone is the A12 processing chip compared to the A11 processing chip. Weight difference, it's a little bit heavier on the side. Of course, it's a little bit bigger, so it's gonna be heavier. The Max weighs in at 6.34 ounces compared to the X that weighs at 6.14 ounces. Pixels for the phone, you're looking probably about, what is it, 2,688 by 1242 pixels on the Max, and 1,125 by 2436 pixels on the iPhone X, the old one. Which again, one thing I will know is that I went into the Apple website today, and the iPhone X is not even available in that website anymore. So now you only have the other options, which is the XR, the XS, and the XX Max. The pixel, the PPI, which is the pixels per inch, exactly the same, 458 on both. Camera, they're saying that the camera on the iPhone X Max is a little bit bigger. I don't see the difference. It's not difference to the naked eye. And also, they're exactly the same. The front-facing camera, it's got a 7 megapixel to a 12 megapixel for the back. Same thing as the old version. Alright guys, so that was a quick unboxing of the iPhone X Max and a quick just snapshot of it and how it compares to my old iPhone X. So in the next week, I'm going to be I'm going to be using the phone. I'm going to actually go to T-Mobile, activate my phone, and then I will be using it, and then I'll come back, make another video of the difference between both phones and how I like it and if it was worth the update or the upgrade. Also, I will be doing an unboxing, so stay tuned to my channel of the Apple Watch that I have not gotten yet. Empty wrist. Usually I have an Apple Watch on my wrist there. So I'll be doing that unboxing and review. So stay tuned to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and always remember, hit the little bell so you guys get the notification of when I do the review, on the rest of the review for my iPhone X Max, and when I get the Apple Watch Series 4. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.